Hello friends, welcome back to another video from JEE Main question with solution. Based on definite integral, find the value of integral 0 to pi cos x modulus power 3 dx. The options are 2 over 3, 0, minus 4 over 3 and 4 over 3. So this is a modulus function and the interval is 0 to pi. So this is cos x is same as cos x, positive cos x when x equals to 0 to pi by 2. And in the interval pi by 2 to pi, the modulus cos x is negative of cos x. So we'll break into two interval, then we'll find the answer. So 0 to pi cos x modulus whole cube dx equals to, again it is a odd power, so we'll write this cos x and negative cos x in different interval as it is. So 0 to pi by 2 it will be cos cube x, and pi by 2 to pi it will be negative of cos cube x. Now it is easy to find out the integral. What will apply the formula? We know that cos 3 times of x equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So from this we'll separate cos cube x. So cos cube x will be cos 3x plus 3 cos x over 4. So the integral will be 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 cos 3 times of x plus 3 cos x, and the interval is different but the integral will be same, by 4 cos 3 times of x plus 3 cos x dx. Next, to apply the integral, cos 3x equals to sin 3x by 3. So this will be 1 by 4 sin 3x over 3 plus 3 sin x from 0 to pi by 2. And of course this was negative here. This was negative, so it will be negative here only. So minus 1 by 4, again this will be sin 3x over 3 plus 3 sin x pi by 2 to pi. So next we'll put the value very carefully. So this equals to 1 by 4. First is sin 3 pi by 2, it will be minus 1 over 3. Again sin pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, so it will be 3 into 1, 1. Next when I'll put 0, so this will be minus 0, minus 0. Now coming to second part, 1 by 4. So first I'll put pi, so it will be sin pi 0 plus 0 and minus, this will be 3 pi by 2 is negative 1 by 3 and this is plus 3. So this will be 1 by 4 taking common, we'll get minus 1 by 3 plus 3 and minus 1 by 3 plus 3. So 1 by 4 into 6 minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 4 into 16 by 3, that will be 4 by 3. So positive 4 by 3 is the answer. Where is it? Fourth one is answer. 4 is the answer. Thank you for watching.